Hi everyone, this is Ice once again discussing about Tweetpush. Now we will talk more about the campaign segment. There are two subsections in the campaign segment. We have My Campaign and Create Campaign. In My Campaign section, you will see all the campaigns you have started. In this page, you will have an option to edit the campaign, delete them, or refresh RSS, which will give you more information on a little later. Now, to dig deeper into this, let us go to the Create Campaign. Creating campaign will give you the benefit of extending the reach of your content to a relevant audience on Twitter. This page will let you create your own campaign bits by bits. First, set the campaign name. All you have to do is to type it in here. Then, select an account you would like to associate this campaign with. Start time will allow you to set the date you would like the campaign to start launching, and of course, the end time to decide how long you would want the campaign to remain active. We also have posting intervals. This will allow you to schedule your campaign post depending on the number of hours of intervals you have set it up. For instance, I set it up for 3 hours. That means that the application will post your campaign every 3 hours. For keywords and hashtags, it is best to analyze which will bring you the most engagements. Choose the effective ones that can have you easily connect with your target audience. You may enter all of it here on this box. For RSS feed, for those who are not familiar with RSS feed, RSS stands for Really Simple Syndication or Rich Site Summary. These are fresh information that are automatically sent to you when you are subscribed to it. It allows subscribers to see content within a very short time after it's updated. Using RSS feed can greatly streamline and simplify how you get your content. So all you have to do is to put all those RSS feed on this box to connect it to your campaign. You may also include a YouTube URL to your campaign if you wish to. Then after filling out all of this, all you have to do is to click on Create Campaign. And all of the changes made will automatically show in the campaign section or My Campaign section. So that's about it for the campaign segment. Thank you for watching and see us again for our next video. Thank you.